Hello guys, let us learn few basic problems based on averages. The first problem is what is the average of 8 and 60? We know that the formula for average is equal to sum of all the given observations divided by total number of given observations. Therefore, average is equal to 8 plus 16 by 2, which is equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. Therefore, the correct answer is 12. The second problem is Ravi's marks in 4 tests are 45, 55, 65 and 75. Then find his average marks. We know that the formula for average marks is equal to total marks divided by total number of tests. Therefore, average is equal to 45 plus 55 plus 65 plus 75 divided by 4, which is equal to 240 by 4, which is equal to 60. Therefore, the correct answer is 60. Third problem is the average of 6 numbers is 12. If one more number 68 is added, what is the new average? We are given average of 6 numbers is equal to 12. Therefore, average of 6 numbers is equal to sum of 6 numbers divided by total number of given numbers, which implies sum of 6 numbers is equal to average of 6 numbers into total number of given numbers, which implies sum of 6 numbers is equal to 12 into 6 is equal to 72. Therefore, new average is equal to sum of 6 numbers plus 68 divided by total number of given numbers, which is equal to 78 plus 68 divided by 7, which is equal to 140 by 7, which is equal to 20. Therefore, the correct answer is 20. Fourth problem is find the average of 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. We know that the formula for average is equal to sum of given numbers divided by total number of given numbers. Therefore, average is equal to 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29 divided by 5, which is equal to 125 divided by 5, which is equal to 25. Therefore, the correct answer is 25. The fifth problem is the average weight of 3 boxes is 40 kg. Then what is the total weight of all 3 boxes? In the given problem, we are given the average weight of 3 boxes is equal to 40 kg. And we know that average weight is equal to total amount of weight divided by total number of boxes, which implies 40 is equal to total amount of weight divided by 3. Therefore, total weight of all 3 boxes is equal to 40 into 3 is equal to 120. Therefore, the correct answer is 120. Sixth problem is a family spends 200, 250, 300, 350 and 400 on 5 different days. Then find the average daily spending. We know that the formula for average is equal to total amount spent divided by total number of days. Therefore, average is equal to 200 plus 250 plus 300 plus 350 plus 400 divided by 5, which is equal to 1500 divided by 5, which is equal to 300. Therefore, the correct answer is 300. The seventh problem is the average of 4 numbers is 30. If 3 of the numbers are 20, 25 and 35, then find the fourth number. In the given problem, we are given average is equal to 30 and we know that average is equal to sum of all given numbers divided by total number of given numbers, which implies 30 is equal to 20 plus 25 plus 35 plus x divided by 4, which implies x is equal to 120 minus 80, which is equal to 40. Therefore, the correct answer is 40. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.